FLYE Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this brief and short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And just overviewing FLYE Group. First glance, it's not that volatile. It's very choppy with a 14% increase in price. I'll just have to zoom out because I also see that we've got some stop of split going on, right? Just recently happened, which is about if it can happen on Monday. It happened on Monday. And since it's pumping, I'm looking to just double down on this pump. Here is my demand zone on this 1 hour chart. And if I do see the price pulling down and giving me that shift, obviously would look to buy. And if not, that's not the case, then I guess I'm not gonna buy. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime, I'll just keep waiting. 4 rules. You know, because I'm a very process driven person, I'm not the most intelligent guy, but I know if I stuck to this process and formula that I've tested over 5 years, I'm fine. My data shows I'm making money. Not only that, I'm actually making that. And if you want the exact approach, just click the first link in the description. Things when I have to give it away, absolutely risk free, but check it out.